Today we're going to practice some English with flipbooks and phonics. Are you ready? Come on. I hope you enjoy. Pronunciations for words that end in IN. In, pin, tin, tin foil, tin, fin. You can swim better with a fin, fin, grin, grin. Another name for a smile is grin, grin. Yay, it's good to win, win. When we win, we grin, grin. The top likes to spin, spin. What comes after spin? Twin, twin. They look the same, they're twins, twin. Skin, skin. Chin, chin. And finally, thin, thin. Quick hit pronunciations for words that have a double E. The double E goes E, E, like bee, bee. My, what a big bee, bee. Deer, deer. Oh, look at that deer, deer. Eel, eel. I don't like eels, eel. Feet, feet. The plural of foot is feet, feet. Green, green. What a beautiful color, green, green. Heel, heel. Take care of your feet, especially your heel, heel. Seed, seed. The little plant grew from a seed, seed. And finally, teeth, teeth. The plural of tooth is teeth. Why does English have oh so many fun words that have a double E in the middle and are oh so easy to say? I don't know. Today we're going to take a look at the OU vowel combination. It makes the sound ow, ow. But we're also going to do a OW, which also makes the ow. Let's start with OU. House, house. My, what a lovely house. Cloud, cloud. What a big puffy cloud, cloud. Couch, couch. Some people say sofa, but for here it's a couch, couch. Mouth, mouth. Look, his mouth is wide open, mouth. Now the OU can also, it makes the sound ow, but another way to do it is with OW, like in cow, cow. And also the word how, cow. And plow, plow. They have to plow the snow. And down, down. The opposite of up is down. OU makes ow. OW also makes ow. How and why? I don't know, but now you know how to pronounce. Today we're going to do some quick hit pronunciations for words that have EST, est. Are you ready? Nest, nest. There's a bird nest. Test, test. He got an A on his test. Test. Pest, pest. Nobody likes a pest. Pest. Best, best. If you're number one, you're the best. Best. Rest, rest. Whew, I need to take a rest. West, west. Not east, but west, west. Vest, vest. I love when people wear vests. That's hard to say. Vests. Chest, chest. Is that a treasure chest? Chest. Quest, quest. Are you on a mission? Yes, I'm on a quest. Quest. And finally, guest, guest. Got it? Why? Today we're going to do pronunciation of the WH. Whale, whale. My, what a big whale. Wheat, wheat. We put wheat in many recipes. Wheat. Wheel, wheel. That's a wagon wheel. Wheel. Whip, whip. My, what a long whip. Whisk, whisk. Whisk the noun and whisk the verb. Whisk, whisk. Whistle, whistle. Can you whistle? That's whistle the noun. Is whistle the verb. Can you whistle? You can? Okay. How about whisker, whisker? The cat has many whiskers. Whiskers. White. White. That's the color white. White. The WH makes wh. I hope this helps you pronounce them. What? Yeah, that has WH too. Peace, friends. Today we're going to do some quick hit pronunciations for words that start with PL and TR. The first word, plane. Plane. I love to fly in a plane. Plane. Plant. Plant. My, what a lovely plant. Plug. Plug. Don't forget to plug in your phone. Plug. Plum. Plum. Do you like to eat a plum? Now we go from PL, pl, to TR, tr. Train. Train. All aboard the choo-choo train. Train. Trash. Trash. Make sure to take out the trash. Tree. Tree. That's a big tree. Tree. Truck. Truck. I do not know how to drive a truck. Let's review. Are you ready? Plane, plant, plug, plum, train, trash, tree, truck. Quick hit pronunciations for words that have UG. UG is pronounced ugh. Ugh. Yeah, ugh. Plug, plug. Don't forget to plug in your charger. Rug, rug. Oh, what a lovely rug. Mug, mug. There is a pink mug. Mug. Dug, dug. The past tense of dig is dug. Dug. Hug, hug. The girl hugs the toy. Hug. Tug, tug. To give a pull is to give a tug. Tug. Slug. Eek, slug. I do not like slugs. Snug, snug. The boy is snug in his bed. And finally, shrug. Shrug. Do you like to shrug? Quick hit pronunciations for words that start with SP. Spider. Spider. Eek, a spider. Spill. Spill. Oh no, he spilled the drink. Spill. Sponge. Sponge. Get a sponge for the spill. Sponge. What comes after sponge? Spoon. Spoon. Do you have a spoon? Spoon. Now, we're going to do SN. SN makes sn. Sn. Snack. Snack. I love to have a snack. Snail. Snail. I will not eat a snail. Snake. Snake. I do not like snakes. Snake. And finally, oh, sneeze. Achoo! Sneeze. I had to have a sneeze. Quick hit pronunciations for words that end in UMP. Ump. Pump. Pump. Put air in the tire with a pump. Pump. Bump. Bump. The boy has a bump. Ouch. Bump. Dump. Dump. The dump truck dumps the dirt. Dump. Jump. Jump. The dog jumps in his lap. Jump. Hump. Hump. The camel has a hump. Hump. Plump. Plump. The pig is rather plump. Plump. Stump. Stump. Cut down the tree and you're left with a stump. Stump. What comes after stump? Why, it is clump. Clump. Is that a chunk? No, it's a clump. Clump. What about grump? Grump. Nobody likes a grump. Grump. And finally, thump. Thump. The gorilla thumps its chest. Why does English have oh so many fun words that have UMP? I don't know. Quick hit pronunciations for words that end in IGHT. It. A knight. A knight is a member of the royal court. A knight. It's not morning or day, it's night. Night. When it's dark outside, it's night. When it's night, we need a light. 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 What is in her sight? Sight. The opposite of loose is tight. Tight. He's so strong, he's full of might. Might. The opposite of left is right. Right. Oh no, what's coming next? Flight. Flight. The bird is off in flight. Flight. Oh no, the sun's too bright. Bright. Got it? Bright. Ah, it's a fright. When you're scared, you're full of fright. Got it? Can you think of a word that ends in IGHT? IT? You can? Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends. So what do you think? Did you get some good practice? Why does English have oh so many fun words to practice with and oh so many fun flip books to use? I don't know, but I hope this helped. Peace, friend.